Hi everyone, my name is Rachna Sharma and I'm going to be a sugar makeup expert for the day. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 nail hacks that everybody should know. Now I'm going to show you hack number 1. Take a cotton ball with some nail polish remover and gently remove the excess oil and leftover nail polish from your nails to prep it for a smoother application. And here comes hack number 2. Do not shake, just roll the bottle to avoid bubbles during application. And this is hack number 3. Take out the outer cap to get a better grip on the inside cap so that you get a better control while applying the nail lacquer. Here comes hack number 4. Here I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Tip Tack Toe Nail Lacquer in Classic in the shade 29 Fuel the Fire. A great tip for painting with the other hand is to rest both of your hands on table and to maneuver your dominant hand that you're painting as much as possible instead of your non-dominant hand with the brush. Another technique is to pull your dominant hand away from the brush to cover the polish and just keep your non-dominant hand with the brush completely still. Last but not least, hack number 5. Remove glitter polish with cotton and acetone, layer it with tinfoil and set for few minutes. Pull out and all the glitter will come out in just one swipe. Like, share and subscribe and comment down below to tell us your favorite summer hacks.